2011 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, one owner, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, CD player, heated front seats, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.